Hello everyone, this is the second part of the series Learn about Arduino and Programming. If you haven't watched the previous video, please do watch it first. There I have given some instructions to the upcoming series. The link to that video is available in the description box, or you can find it in the I button on the top right corner of your device. In this video, we will be discussing the fundamentals of the Arduino Uno board, its software, and then we will install the Arduino IDE software in our system. I am Kaver and you're watching Tech Domicile. Without further ado, let's get started. This is an Arduino board. The Arduino Uno board is one of the popular variant of Arduino project. It contains Atmega 328 microcontroller, digital input-output pins, analog pins, and a power adapter. The power adapter can be used for programming the board. This is the microcontroller. This can be found in many electronic devices. Microcontroller is a mini computer that contains CPU, memory, system clock, and peripherals. A microcontroller is dedicated to perform only one task and execute one specific application at a time. The most important component of this board is the Atmega 328 microcontroller chip. This is the heart of the Arduino, where we can program it to do different things. It contains internal RAM, ROM, and also an Arduino bootloader. An Arduino bootloader is the first program that executes when the device is connected to a power supply. These are the digital pins. Each of these can be programmed as either input or output. Digital means they can be on or off, high or low. For example, to dim an LED, to generate audio signals, etc. The pin 0 and 1 can be used for serial communication with the other devices. Here 0RX stands for receiving, 1TX stands for transmitting. These are analog pins which are marked from A0 to A5. These are only used for inputs. They take analog signals and convert them into digital signal that the computer can understand. These are transmitting and receiving LEDs that are embedded to the board. These will blink when we are sending or receiving data. This is very helpful for troubleshooting. When we press this reset button, the program stops and restarts. It will not erase anything off the board. This is an input voltage to the Arduino board when it is using an external power source. These are ground pins which give access to the lowest voltage on the board. USB interface can be used for programming the board and also can be used for serial communication between the board and the computer. We have this external power adapter to power up the board. Now we will install the software into our system. Arduino IDE is an open source software. It is easy to write code and upload to the physical board. It is very easy to learn the programming language with inbuilt functions. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. This software can be used in any Arduino board. To install the software, here I am using my super old Windows 7 operating system. If you are an Android user, the IDE application is directly available in the Play Store. In order to install, open any browser, type arduino.cc. It will direct you to the official website. Click on Software, scroll down, click on Windows, then just download. If you want, you can create a separate folder to store the extracted file. Locate the downloaded file and extract it. Then left-click on the icon, select Run as Administrator, provide the required access and install it. Installing takes quite a long time. Be patient. After installing, the application will be available on your desktop. Open it and you'll see the Arduino Ide interface. Now I have connected my Arduino to the USB port of the computer. You can see it here and also the port in which it is connected. Now we will see about the Arduino programming language. Arduino programs can be divided into three main parts: control structure statements, operator variables and constants, and functions. Control statements are if else, for, while, do while, switch case, etc. These are same in any programming language. Then we have arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and Boolean operators. We have variables and constants as in other programming language. These are built-in functions. These are the important functions which are mostly used in Arduino projects. In order to refer this programming language, click on the Help menu, then click on Reference. This opens an offline page in the browser. For example, if you want to refer the digital write built-in function, just click on the function name. Here you can see the description, syntax, and the sample program of this function. There are many built-in functions and we can refer to this manual depending upon our requirements. We will be learning about some of the important built-in functions in the subsequent tutorials. So that's it for today. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up, and if interested, please subscribe the channel and stay tuned. If you have any queries, feel free to comment. Thanks for watching.